Engineering is a creative discipline. It's a creative career. It's about using your ideas and seeing them to fruition. It's about seeing them have positive impacts in people's lives. And a lot of satisfaction comes with that. You know, I work in sustainable development. I work in appropriate technology. I want to be able to find solutions for people in developed countries who need to use less energy, less water. So it's coming up with ideas and seeing those ideas have huge impact. And so engineering is fun, it's exciting, and it's definitely one to consider when you're thinking about a career.
I would say it's been an evolutionary process for me. I've always had an interest in mechanical things and designing things. In fact, I wanted to be an inventor. And slowly, as I realized the reality of, being an inventor, I eventually moved into engineering.
When I was a kid, I always used to wonder how buildings are engineered, and I think that's what the first point for me getting into engineering was. I did my bachelor's degree from Pakistan. It was a 4-year degree over there. Building services engineering with sustainable energy was a thing that kept my mind, because I want to design sustainable buildings. And that was a choice for me.
I've only been in the industry for 3 years, and it's been a steep learning curve. My biggest challenge is, I suppose, keeping up with the day-to-day job, making sure I learn everything I need to do to deliver on the job, and going beyond that in my free time, I suppose, to get the job done. I do have a mentor provided to me by the company I work for. He supports me in sort of my ambitions and objectives. He sort of guides me through what I need to do in order to go to the next step, working towards being a chartered engineer.
Well, I grew up in Pakistan and moved over here when I was only 8. And I've been back and forth a few times, and I've seen the infrastructure there, so I want to make a difference. That's why I went into engineering. I would say engineering isn't exactly what people imagine it to be. It's completely different. It's very exciting. All the projects are different, so you get a lot of variety. People have this image that engineers are geeks, or people who are just a bit nerdy, but really I play football, I have my own personal life and social life. I get to do a lot more things, whereas in many other careers you're so sucked into them that you don't get a chance to do anything else. So engineering in that sense is excellent.